At Unidan, we do more than expedition vehicles. Along with servicing, selling parts and accessories for Unimogs, Unidan can also provide a Unimog fleet for your company. Our latest work for NACAP involved 5 XADF Unimogs, serviced, restored and fitted with custom accessories. Each truck had its headlights, front bars and tyres replaced, and 2 of the vehicles had a custom canvas cover made, while the remaining 3 had custom safety rails. For added protection of the windows to prevent damages, we've custom designed window meshes to protect the windshield and windows from all directions without completely blocking the field of view. Restored to its former glory, this Unimog fleet packs all the features and capabilities to be the ultimate workhorse. Inquire today and add a Unimog fleet to your company. For more information, check out our website and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date with our latest work.